that's where the evolution occurs in tribes today, or tribes that actually want to evolve in consciousness, is that there is a commitment, we call it generative trust. There is a commitment here that if we are friends, we're going to work, if there's a break of trust, for whatever reason it is, maybe I did something, maybe you did something, maybe something triggered in your trauma, maybe I wasn't aware of something, but we are going to stay in connection and restore trust, no matter what. That's our commitment to each other. So this is actually the highest value we hold in our connection.
If we go back to basic trust, we can come to the understanding that everything that is happening, including the crunchy parts, are to serve our awakening. And yes, it could be a dickish move from the brother or the person that has done it to me. Now, if I go in and rest into the victim of poor me, martyr, and all the pieces, well then I don't ever have the opportunity to harvest the gold of what created that break in trust, and where is the medicine for me to grow from that place.
It's a very selfish act, because what we really want is connection, and if our heart is close to someone that we love, it hurts so much fucking more. It's just like, you guys know, like, closing your heart to someone you really love in your truth is I think one of the biggest pains of humans. If you keep it open, even if there's no connection right now, but you know your heart is open to meet them, and you commit to meet one day and stay there until you restore love,